ayan guys, at ready na ako sa pagpasok. Ngayon nga pala guys ay meron kaming exam. Yun lang muna guys, update ko na lang ulit kayo sa mga susunod kong video. That's all for today guys. If you like our video, don't forget to buy us a cup of Coke or coffee and see you next time. Bye!
Thank you, Friend Rick. God bless!